Indeed, the goal is that we would have CarnavaL, and the SOG or foundation is the one managing some of government's buildings, which includes the Festival Village. We had several meetings on this same point. The claim is that the original insurance funds, part of that is for the SOG. Of course, the advice to be able to release the funds, I think more than a month or two ago, came to me, but there were several questions in terms of ensuring that it is what they call in Dutch beslissrijp, ready for a decision making. Not all the I's were dotted and the T's crossed, and so we're in the process of trying to ensure that, of course, in time that at least the repairs to the roof that has been damaged for years can be done. Back then, I can tell you that based on the fact that we were underinsured with our buildings, that priority was given to schools and the like. And so I believe there is still funds available, and it still is a priority. However, proper due diligence has to be followed to be able to put out the terms of reference to finalize those repairs.